I am Father Varghese Nyaliath, Rector, St. Thomas International Shrine, Kurishamudi, Malayatu.
Can you brief the importance of this church?
This is a shrine which has become very famous by the visit of St. Thomas, one of the 12 apostles of Jesus Christ. From the 1st century onwards, people used to visit this hilltop, and now the total number of the pilgrims who visit this shrine becomes nearly 50 lakhs. Lot of people visit this place because they have got many miracles, favors, and so on by praying to St. Thomas the Apostle. This is an international shrine declared by Vatican in the year 2004. This is the only international shrine in the continent of Asia.
My name is Prijo. I'm coming from Parpur, a village area from Trishur. It's very nearby Amla Hospital. So for the past 6 years I have been walking from Parpur to Malatur, and I have an immense belief that whatever I ask to Malatur God Thomas Liha, definitely he will succeed my all needs, wants, everything, and I have a very good belief regarding that. And this is my 4th time I am kneeling down and climbing this mountain, this Malatur mountain. So definitely I am a best believer of Thomas Leha. Thank you.
സഹോദരൻ ജോൺസൺ മലമുകളിലുള്ള എൻക്വയറി ആനയെ പാപത്തിനെ കാത്ത് മകൻ നിതിൻ മലമുകളിലുള്ള എൻക്വയറി കാത്തിരിക്കുന്നു.
സ്വന്തമായ പീഡ സഹിക്കുന്ന